SV Microwave's VITA RF solutions are purpose-built for open VPX and SOSA-aligned systems, delivering rugged, high-frequency performance in module-embedded platforms. Welcome back to another product preview. I'm Joe Horsky, Product Team Manager at PEI-Genesis. Today, we're showcasing the full suite of SV Microwave interconnects designed to meet the VITA standard. Solutions trusted across aerospace, defense, and high-speed communication systems. The lineup starts with proven 67.1 and 67.2 coaxial modules, featuring blind mate SMPM interfaces in both half and full width formats, ideal for electronic warfare, radar, and signal intelligence applications. For more advanced systems, VITA 67.3 raises the bar, supporting up to 20 nano RF ports in a full width module, 19 SMPS or 14 SMPM. These high-density, high-speed connectors are fully compliant with SOSA technical standards. The block size is the same, what changes is how many connectors you can fit. Need combined signal and data transmission? SV also offers VITA 66.5 hybrid modules, merging optical and RF connectivity in a single compact form factor. Whether you're integrating legacy SMPM modules or deploying next-gen nano RF and hybrid optical RF solutions, SV Microwave's VITA products offer unmatched density, reliability, and modularity. And if you're looking to test quickly, PEI-Genesis also stocks VITA 67.3 developer kits to help you get started fast. For more on SV's VITA-compliant products, visit PEI-Genesis.com or contact our team directly. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.